Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode. Magluluto naman tayo ng another ulam. Stir-fry boneless chicken thigh with celery and carrot. Wow! Mag-start na tayo magluto. Maglagay tayo ng mantika. And then, ilagay natin yung ginger. Isot lang yung ginger and then ipan-fry yung celery at saka yung carrot. Wow! Maglagay tayo ng mantika ulit and then maglagay tayo ng loya at garlic. Isot lang ang garlic at saka ginger. And then, ilagay yung manok. Yung manok, minarinate ko yan mga 1 hour before ko siya i-lutuin. Wow! After 1 minute, maglagay tayo ng half tablespoon of soy sauce. And then, 1/3 cup of chicken broth. Then, pakuluan ito ng konti. Mabilis lang tumaluto yung chicken thigh, guys. Nilagyan natin ng konting sugar. Lagyan natin ng konti ng soy sauce kasi kulang yung lasa. Pag konti na yung sabaw niya, ilagay natin yung celery at saka yung carrot na pan-fry natin kanina. Wow! Tapos na, guys. It's done. Thank you for watching. It's ready to serve. Wow!